In this video, I'm going to show you how to build assembly in QuickBooks. So on your desktop, make sure you already installed the QuickBooks Enterprise solution on your desktop or computer or MacBook or anything you are using. So now as you notice, we don't have inventory button. Now to activate it, just simply click the edit button on the upper left corner and then select the preferences, and you'll see here the settings. Now click the items and inventory, and then go to company preferences, then check the items in here. So as you can see here, now click the OK button, and you'll see on the above the buttons, you'll see there the inventory buttons. Now click the list and select the item list. You'll see here the list of my items. Now go to inventory, and you'll see there the build assemblies, and when you click that, you'll be redirected to build assembly, where you gonna build your assembly in QuickBooks. And that's it. That's how you build assembly in QuickBooks. So you'll need to select items and create inventory or what. So that's it. I hope it helps. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.